In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Apple Maps from making suggestions. Whether you're trying to tidy up your notifications or simply want more control over what appears on your screen, this guide will walk you through the process. It's a straightforward task that should take just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. The Settings app is pretty much the hub for customizing your device, and you'll find it right there on your home screen. Once you've got it open, you'll want to scroll through the options until you find Siri. This might take a moment if you haven't explored these settings in a while, but don't worry, it's all part of the journey to tech mastery. After entering the Siri settings, your next step is to select Maps from the list of apps. The apps are usually listed in alphabetical order, so this should make it easy to locate Maps. If you've ever been bothered by those seemingly random suggestions appearing in Maps, here's where you can take control. Now that you're in the Maps section, we're going to disable specific features to prevent those suggestions from popping up. You'll see multiple options here, and at first it might feel like toggling all these switches could lead to chaos, but rest assured it's quite the opposite. What you're doing is calmly informing your device about your preferences. So what you'll do is toggle off the Show in App, Show on Home Screen, Suggest App, and Suggestion Notifications options. These are the key components that trigger those automatic suggestions from Siri within the Maps app. Turning these off ensures that Siri won't try to offer up any unsolicited advice when you're using Maps or just browsing your home screen. And that's it, you've successfully stopped Apple Maps from making suggestions. This small adjustment can make a big difference to your experience, keeping things clutter-free and ensuring that your device only offers up what you actually want to see. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and adjust them if you change your mind or want to experiment with how different configurations work for you. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope this was clear and helpful and that you feel more in control of your device now. If you found this video useful, be sure to share it with others who might be looking for similar help, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your tech life easier. Until next time, happy exploring your iPhone or iPad.